Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Slack so you can stay on top of your tasks and never let an important message slip through the cracks. Step 1. Open the Workflow Builder. In the 2026 Slack layout, the primary way to create advanced reminders is through the Global Creation Hub. Click the Create icon, +sign, located at the very bottom of your left-hand sidebar. From the menu that pops up, select Workflow. This opens the Workflow Builder in a new window. While simple reminders use the /remind command, this workflow method allows you to build much more powerful, scheduled notifications that can include buttons, forms, or multiple steps. Step 2, choose a scheduled trigger. To make this workflow act as a reminder, you need to tell Slack exactly when it should wake up and send the message. Select Build from Scratch, then for your trigger, choose On a Schedule. Here, you can set the specific start date and time. Use the frequency settings to make it recurring, whether that's every morning at 9 a.m., every Friday for a weekly wrap-up, or even the first of every month for expense reports. Once the timing is set, click Save. Step 3, add the reminder message. Now that Slack knows when to run the workflow, you need to tell it what to say and where to send it. Click Add Step and select Send a Message. Where to send, choose yourself for a personal reminder or a specific channel to remind the whole team. Type out your task or instructions. In 2026, you can even add a button to the message, like Mark as Done or Open Spreadsheet, which makes your reminder interactive rather than just a plain text alert. Click Publish in the top right corner. Your reminder is now live and will fire automatically on the schedule you created. And that's pretty much it. To create a high-powered reminder in 2026, click the plus icon in the sidebar, select Workflow, and choose a scheduled trigger. Add a Send Message step to define your task, and hit Publish to let Slack handle the rest of your follow-ups automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.